kids and save now at the Room Place because our biggest Memorial Day sale ever starts now with an extra 25% off. Plus, save with 0%.
Robotics in Rockford. Today, the Small Business Development Center and Chamber of Commerce, they hosted Rockford's first Robotics and Automation Expo. Various robotics vendors and experts gave demonstrations in hopes of businesses collaborating and enhancing local manufacturing production. Experts also shared tools on increasing production.
The secret to make your product cheaper is make it a lot of them. But what about if a 3D printer can make it just in time for you? So you don't have to make 1,000 just to get one good price for one item. So the idea is that with all these technologies, what you can do is enhance the production process and improve your return of investment.
Today's vendors displayed manufacturing robotics, virtual reality, and 3D printing technology. The Small Business Development Center and Chamber of Commerce does plan on making this an annual event.